So for the last month or so, I've been getting a lot of questions about that. What will be the impact of the India-Canada bad relationships when it comes to immigration? Because I thought to observe the situation for a little bit as far as my cases are concerned, my ongoing cases are concerned, and thought to make a video out of it. I'm Niladri Mukherjee. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I'm based out of Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. So I could confirm that it is indeed having a negative impact as far as the immigration applications are concerned. Okay, and because as an organization we deal with a different type of cases which are mostly discretionary in nature. Let's say humanitarian compassionate grounds application. Let's say complicated spousal sponsorship, responding to the procedural fairness, criminal inadmissibilities, authorization to return to Canada, temporary resident permit. So all these are discretionary applications. All these are the applications where an immigration officer needs to think out of the box to make a decision, and that's where exactly we are seeing a kind of difference in terms of how they used to assess those applications and how they're assessing the very similar exact same kind of applications right now are a little bit different. The strictness has gone up when it comes to the background verification, checking of documents, authenticity of documents, etc. They are spending way lot more time. So whatever decision making time that you see on the website, the Government of Canada website may not be the appropriate one. If you are talking about India, those will likely be higher. That's number one. The kind of decisions that we used to see are changing as well. Okay, so some of the applications where we know that it was difficult to get approved but would probably get approved, those we are seeing not getting approved. Okay, though exact similar applications maybe in the last year got approved with the exact similar circumstances. So I see a change of perception, I see a change of their working pattern of treating those applications as well. Most importantly, what is impacting here is the work permit holders, where the spousal sponsorship application is in process and everything. They are they are becoming somebody who are the most vulnerable ones with this kind of tension, because I see a lot of cases where where in my opinion IRCC should have taken a positive decision, but IRCC decided to do otherwise. And obviously they are the decision maker, they can do whatever they want, but at least that's from my experience. Some of the cases I see, even the decisions are coming out citing reasons which really do not make much sense. For example, if they're refusing a startup visa application, saying that you have to submit a work permit, you have to submit an LMIA number, where a startup visa do not require an LMIA, as a process anyways, that becomes a little bit more difficult to deal with. Somebody is applying for a visitor visa from India, they're refusing those applications, saying that you applied for an ETA, you applied under the wrong category, and they're not only refusing those applications, they're making those person inadmissible as well. Now, Indian passport holders, we all know, that are not even eligible to apply for an ETA, yet they're refusing those applications and making those persons inadmissible, citing those grounds. So in a nutshell, the diplomatic tussle between India and Canada has have its negative impact on the actual immigration application. So if you are somebody with Indian nationality, if you're holding an Indian passport and if you're lodging an immigration application today for anything, make sure to be 100% certain as to what you are submitting. Make sure that your documents are up to the mark. Make sure the explanation letters are up to the mark. And God forbid, if you have received a procedural fairness letter, removal order, those kind of situations, make sure to book a consultation with somebody. It could be with me or anybody as per your liking, at least to understand these kind of situations before drafting and sending those responses to IRCC. Because, as I've said, strictness have gone up. You don't want to take any chance. We as an organization, we deal with all those critical applications. If you need our assistance with any of those, feel free to book a professional consultation through the website novonation.ca, and we could go from there. Hope this helps. You guys, bye now.